Hi, welcome to this video tutorial for FFmpeg Batch AV Converter. This application allows you to convert virtually any audio or video file type using all the FFmpeg capabilities. With this front end, you can easily add unlimited files or folders. For example, these audio files. Files are analyzed, so we obtain duration, size. Here we have the default presets, which are a set of FFmpeg parameters and an output format. In this case, we would like to convert to MP3. This is it. We can also edit these parameters. We can change the description, create a new preset. We could also use the parameters wizard. So for example, if we want to convert these files to a different format, like for example WAV, here it is, and then we obtain this new preset with different parameters, and this is it. We can select to either overwrite short files if they have the same extension. This is not the case. We can open output folder on completion or recreate the source of the input files. We can also rename output files automatically, adding this suffix. And we can also select custom relative output path. This is the default one. We can select any output folder, or we can edit this relative path, changing its name, or even using the input source path. And this is it. We can now start encoding, and we can select either sequential encoding, which will process one file at a time, or we can also use this very useful multi-file encoding, which will process this number of files at a time. For example, we can process these 4 audio files at the same time. This is only recommended for audio because video is already a multi-threading process, so processing more than one video file at a time is counterproductive. It will be even slower. Anyway, this is audio. Let's go for it. The selected parameters are tested, and there we go. And they are all processed, and we obtain the output folders. This check will tell me that everything was okay. We can also convert them to a different preset, different set of parameters, and only, for example, 3 files at the same time. Since they were already encoded, we will get some warnings, but we want to continue anyway. And there we go. We could pause this process at any time, so the queue is stopped, and then we can resume it. And we could also abort the whole queue encoding at any time. Here below we have the total ProRes information, the elapsed time, and the remaining time. In this case, almost done. So this is it. And that's all. We can also try with some video files, like for example this one. We can obtain useful information either double clicking it or clicking on multimedia information. Here we have a summary, though we can also obtain a full report. And we can use any compatible FFmpeg parameters. In this case, this would only convert the audio track to MP3. We could also convert it to this X264 output MKB. There we would go. Parameters are tested. It's okay. And I am going to abort it. As we can see, we will obtain the average bit rate, the encoding speed relative to the playback rate of the file, and an estimation of the output file size. This is the remaining time, so we will abort it. And this is it for this quick video tutorial of FFmpeg Batch AV Converter. Thank you very much.